स्वागतं शुभस्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः. Welcome all the students for the online classes. Today we are going to start the new lesson. The name of the lesson is Vidyalayah. अद्य नूतनपाठस्य आरम्भं कुर्मः. पाठस्य नाम विद्यालयः. Today we are going to learn how to construct the small sentences. So till now we have studied Akaranta, Pullinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga, and today we are going to learn how to construct the small sentences. Eshaha Vidyalayah. This is the school. Atra Chhatraha Shikshakaha Shikshikaha च सन्ति. एषः विद्यालयः. This is the school. Atra. Atra means here in the school. Chhatraha. Students. Shikshakaha. Teachers. Shikshikaha. Ma'ams. Cha. Also. Santi. Are there. This is the school. Here, students, teachers, and ma'ams are there. Anantaram. Esha Sanganakayantra Prayogashala Asti. This is computer laboratory. Sanganakam means computer. Sanganaka Yantram, computer machine. Prayogashala. Prayogashala means laboratory. Itihasa Prayogashala. Bhautashastra Prayogashala. Rasayana Shastra Prayogashala. Jiva Shastra Prayogashala. In the school you will find physics laboratory, chemistry laboratory, biology laboratory, like that. This is the computer laboratory. In science school you can find even there is a language lab is there. History laboratory is also there, like that. It is the computer laboratory. Etani, this. Etani Sanganakayantrani Santi. These are all the computers. Here, what you have to observe is Prayogashala is in Strilinga. Prayogashala is in Strilinga. That's why Esha Prayogashala. Vidyalayaha was in Pullinga. That's why Eshaha Vidyalayaha. Next. Etat अस्माकं विद्यालयस्य उद्यानम् अस्ति. उद्याने पुष्पाणि सन्ति. वयम् अत्र क्रीडामः, पठामः च. एतत् अस्माकं विद्यालयस्य उद्यानम् अस्ति. This is our school's garden. Udyane pushpani santi. In the garden, flowers are there. Vayam atra kridamaha pathamaha cha. We here play as well as we study. We play and study in the school garden. Atra pashyantu. Udyanam. उद्यानम अकारांत नपुंसकलिंग शब्द फलम फले फलानि उद्यानम उद्याने उद्यानानि. Because it is in napumsakalinga we are using etat. Pullinge eshaha, strilinge esha, napumsakalinge etat. पुल्लिङ्गे एषः एतौ एते स्त्रीलिङ्गे एषा एते एताः नपुंसकलिङ्गे एतत् एते एतानि एतत् उद्यानम् एते उद्याने एतानि उद्यानानि like this एतत् अस्माकं विद्यालयस्य उद्यानम् अस्ति this is our school's garden उद्याने पुष्पाणि सन्ति in the garden पुष्पाणि कुसुमानि सुमानि flowers pushpani means flowers santi are there pushpam asti पुष्पे स्तः पुष्पाणि सन्ति इति बहुवचनं भवति एवम् अनन्तरं पाठस्य आरम्भः एवं भवति परस्परम् एषा बालिका अस्ति बालिकायाः नाम रुचा बालकस्य नाम प्रणवः one boy and girl they are having a conversation the name of the girl is Richa the name of the boy is Pranav let us see what they are talking like this you also can start talking Richa तव नाम किम् तव नाम किम् प्रणवः मम नाम प्रणवः तव नाम किम् रुचा मम नाम रुचा त्वं कुत्र पठसि प्रणवः अहम् अत्र एव पठामि रुचा अहम् अपि अत्र एव पठामि इदानीम् आवां मित्रे स्वः Richa is asking तव नाम किम् what is your name तव नाम किम् तव yours nama name किम् what is yours name Pranavah मम नाम प्रणवः my name is Pranav तव नाम किम् what is your name Richa मम नाम Richa my name is Richa त्वं कुत्र पठसि where are you studying त्वं you कुत्र where पठसि studying where are you studying प्रणवः अहम् अत्र एव पठामि I am studying here only in the same school Richa aham api atra eva patami I am also studying in the same school you are studying in this school I am also studying in the same school idanim now avam both of we mitre swaha have become friends we both have become friends Richa is telling tava nama kim what is your name Pranavaha tells mama nama Pranavaha my name is Pranav tava nama kim what is your name Richa tells mama nama Richa my name is Richa tvam kutra pathasi where are you studying then Pranav tells aham atra eva pathami I am studying here only Richa aham api atra eva pathami I am also studying in the same school idanim now avam both of we mitre swaha we have become friends let us see today what is the lesson we have studied एषः विद्यालयः अत्र छात्राः शिक्षकाः शिक्षिका च सन्ति। एषः विद्यालयः, अत्र छात्राः, शिक्षकाः, शिक्षिका च सन्ति। एषा सङ्गणकयन्त्रप्रयोगशाला। एषा सङ्गणकयन्त्रप्रयोगशाला अस्ति। एतानि सङ्गणकयन्त्राणि सन्ति। एतानि सङ्गणकयन्त्राणि सन्ति। एतत् अस्माकं विद्यालयस्य उद्यानम् अस्ति। उद्याने पुष्पाणि सन्ति। वयम् अत्र क्रीडामः, पठामः च। ऋचा, तव नाम किं? प्रणवः। मम नाम प्रणवः। तव नाम किं? ऋचा, मम नाम ऋचा। त्वं कुत्र पठसि? प्रणवः, अहम् अत्र एव पठामि। ऋचा, अहम् अपि अत्र एव पठामि। इदानीम् आवां मित्रे स्वः। We have become friends. What do they do next? We will see in the next class. Today we have learnt that the introduction to the school. Who are there in the school? Teachers and ma'ams and students are there in the school. This is computer laboratory, and in the computer lab you can find many computers. Then it tells about in the Napumsakalinga. First one was in Pullinga. Vidyalaya is in Pullinga. Prayogashala is Strilinga. Now we are coming to the Napumsakalinga. Udyanam, Upavanam. These are the synonyms. Udyanam, Upavanam, Vatika. These are the words you have to remember. So in the garden, what do the many flowers are there. In the garden sometimes we play and we study too. Then there is a conversation between Richa and Pranav. Okay, we will learn next class. We will find the further lesson. धन्यवादाः. भवतु शुभदिनं भवतु अनुदिनं. गृहे एव तिष्ठन्तु, स्वस्थाः भवन्तु.